Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to download bulk images using a Python script. So you can use your keywords, just enter the keywords and the Python script that will download images related to the keywords. So let's start. Just create an empty directory like here and just create a text document. So I'm going to rename it as script.p1. So we're going to use a Python script. Okay. Now edit the script using your Python ideally. So we gonna use a BingImageCrawler, which is a Python library. So just import the library from icrawler.builtin. So what I'm going to use is a BingImageCrawler, which is already available in the Python library, and the classes is our keyword. So I'm going to use two keywords here. One is the houses and another one is the town. So if you want to add more keywords like bridges, you can use that also. And the number is the number of images. So for each keyword, we will download 10 images. And we are going to use a class here, which is a loop. So for each keyword, we will going to crawl into the Bing and download the images and save it in an image folder in the current directory. So that's the simple Python script. Let's save the Python script and run it. So just run the module. So you can see the image folder has been created here. So it's automatically started to download. If you click open it, you can see the houses images. So the houses folder is generated and you can see all the images generated here. Next, the tower one. So you can see the crawler is actually doing its job. It's downloading as per the keyword here, and that's also done. So it's going to search in the web and find all the possible images and download it to your page. So if you want to do some projects like image processing, if you want to train some AI with a large set of images, you can use this script and you can download a lot of images for your AI training or something. So that's it.